Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to talk about grounding your D20S unit. Now at Dosatron, we recommend grounding all of the D20S units to avoid the electrolysis phenomenon. Grounding your unit can be done in two different ways. To do this, we recommend taking a solid, not coiled wire and attaching it to your D20S. You'd then take the other end and attach it to a metal spike and stick that in the ground. Another option is to attach a solid not coiled wire to your D20S and attach the other end to a metal section of your greenhouse. If you do this, you'll want to make sure that your greenhouse, or at least that section, is grounded before doing so. Of course, with any other questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us a message online, and thanks for watching.